Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you to do this after every renovation because it is most definitely crucial. This is something that I believe that you should do after every single renovation. I have been through many renovations and I just really thought about this thing in this renovation now, and it makes the world of a difference with regards to cleanup and make sure that everything is safe and sound once you are finished the renovation. This is actually my backyard, and we just finished doing this fence over here. I'll give you a little bit of a better view. We're almost done. We just got to really work on, there's a gate over there with a platform that leads back to a big open area. I don't want to go into too much detail with, I'm trying to avoid giving away where I live or any details about my house, but we just finished this fence back here. And over here, okay, there's all grass over here, okay? You see we have my kids' playground over there as well. And essentially, I wanted to make sure that there were no screws or nails or anything sharp or metal left on the ground. Okay, now with regards to wood, I obviously it's a little bit easier for me to see because of the coloration of the wood, a little bit easier for me to see, but some screws are green and the grass is green. So what I went out and got was this right here. It's a magnetic pickup tool. And essentially what I think that you should do after every single renovation, whether it's an outdoor one or an indoor one, I'm going to use this after every time I do any project, is get a magnetic pickup tool, because the majority of the things that are sharp are likely going to be metal, most likely. Get your magnetic pickup tool, set it at the proper angle so that you can use it properly, okay? And I would recommend that you just, and I'll point towards the ground, just basically take your magnetic pickup tool and essentially, sorry, that was just a leaf. It was just it scared me. I thought it was a bug crawling on my foot, but it was just a leaf, I believe. Yeah, just a leaf over there. Make sure there was no bug over there. Okay, anyways, take your magnetic pickup tool and just graze it along the grass, and it'll pick up anything metal that is on the grass. And you also want to listen for any kinks. So you want to listen for any like think as you're walking by, because maybe you're going a little too fast and it's going to hit the thing that's metal and it won't pick it up because you're going a little too fast. So listen for any sounds as well, because those can be clues that there's something metal on the ground. Even if you're not working outside and you're working inside, I recommend that you get one of these and you use it, just because it's going to do a fantastic job at picking up anything. Even if you're working in a basement on a main floor, it takes, I don't know, to do a backyard this size, it took me 5 minutes, maybe 7 minutes for each pass. And I did multiple passes just because, like I said, my kids are playing back here, so I want to make sure that there's nothing on the ground, right? But I mean, if you're working inside and you can see the floor, it's going to be a little bit easier for you to, to use something like this. In addition, if you're sweeping up all of your, all of the dirt and debris that you've accumulated throughout the renovation, and use this, you can pick up any screws or anything that's lost in that dirt and debris, and you might be able to use those screws. Lastly, they're good to have anyways, just because you can pick up something that's metal. Let's say you lose, actually it's not, no, I'm trying to make it, my ring is not magnetic towards this. I just thought about that. But let's say you lose something that is metal, you can use this to locate it and help you locate it in the grass, okay? So after every renovation, that's what I recommend doing. It's something that I honestly just started now. Basically, since I had kids, I thought about it. Before having kids, I didn't really, I scanned the grass, at the old house before I had kids, but I didn't really think about using something like this. But now with kids, it's definitely at the front of my mind what I should be doing after the renovation. But yeah, that's it. And like I said, I was able to find a couple of screws that had sort of been lost over the course of doing the fence, and I picked them up. And then, once I'd passed through the yard, I think 3 times without picking anything up, I was like, okay, I think at this point we're good to go. But yeah, definitely something to do after renovation. If you like this video, please be sure to before I finish, very inexpensive tool and very effective tool. So, the bang for your buck that you get with this, the value that you get with something like this is absolutely phenomenal. And telescoping, so you can then go and store it in a much smaller situation, much smaller form factor like that. But that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.